Hey boys and girls, Murray here with PhoneArena, and today we're checking out the Asus Zenfone 8. We're shooting in Full HD, 60 frames per second. This phone can go up to 8K, but in order to use the hyper steady mode we have to be in Full HD. So let's see how steady this hyper steady mode really is. I'm going to run down this flight of stairs. Pretty cool, pretty good. Now let's check out the autofocus real quick. And finally, let's see if we can get the audio zoom feature to work. Let's zoom on this truck right there. See if we can hear its motor revving up. Oh, as it turns out, the hyper steady does not support zoom, so we're gonna shoot another video to try and get that.